Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I have a pretty big announcement to make. No, I'm not buying another car, not yet anyway. I actually have some news to tell you. I have actually been working with a company for a couple of months now, and this company is a worldwide well-known car part supplier. Now, you may have already seen me in a few of their videos on their well-known YouTube channel, and if you haven't already worked it out, I have actually been working with a company called Autodoc. And if you don't know who Autodoc are, then you must have been living under a rock. Autodoc are a worldwide well-known car part supplier, and in my opinion they're one of the most competitively priced suppliers out there. Now, I have personally used Autodoc for the past few years now. I really have struggled to try and find a better price supplier, and whenever I'm making a large order, Autodoc are the company that I go with every time. And so with personally ordering from them in the past, when the opportunity came to work with these guys on their YouTube channel, it's an opportunity that I really could not pass on. And so what have I actually been doing, you may ask? Now, a couple of months ago I was contacted by their YouTube department to see if I would be interested in working with them. Now, they gave me a bunch of different topics, and they said you can just choose one of these topics and then make a video around that topic. And they didn't say I had to say anything in particular. They just said, you know, make a video on your past experience and your knowledge, and you can make whatever video you want as long as it's around that topic. And I thought that was great. I thought it was great that they gave me the freedom to make a video on a certain topic in whichever way that I wanted. And then it just kind of went from there, really. I have been making a video for them now every 2 weeks or so, and it has really been working quite well. Now, today I've actually received a package from them. So the guys over at the YouTube department sent me over a box of goodies. I believe it's some clothing to wear in the Autodoc videos, just to make everything a little bit more professional. So I'm actually going to do a little unboxing. I'm going to show you exactly what they sent. So for starters, they sent me a Autodoc cap. I'm not really a cap lover, to be honest. I don't wear a whole bunch of caps, but very nice, if I must say. What else? They sent me some Autodoc gloves. Let's put these on. See, I'm already looking more professional already, aren't I? There we go, Autodoc gloves. What's this? A couple of Autodoc air fresheners. Looks like an Autodoc t-shirt. This is nice. So we have some Autodoc overalls, and then let's have a look what this is. It is a Autodoc flag. How good's that? I think I'm actually gonna put these clothes on and then we'll come back. Don't worry, I'm not going to strip in front of you guys. But yeah, let's get these on and then let's see how we look. Okay then, so what do we think? I think it looks quite smart. Very professional. Pleased with that. Okay, so I will leave a link for the Autodoc YouTube channel down below in the description box. Go and check it out if you have not already. You'll see a few videos of mine on there as well. Now, I'm actually in contact with Autodoc into setting up a discount code for you guys. Now, I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know how much it's going to save you. But when I know the specifics, I will leave them down below with a link as well. And I just want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for all of your support. If you know, you guys was not watching my videos, Autodot would have not recognized me, they would not have contacted me. So I just have all of you guys to thank for getting me this opportunity. And I want to thank you guys for watching, of course. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace!